Just had to pause it for a second.
That I think I know when the hurt is over.
I wish you guys could hear what I'm hearing with these speakers. This is absolutely insane.
Lord, maybe love will flow.
You would think that or that or those or that or that or those is playing. No. This is going to get flagged. I don't care. This is...
When you love somebody, you know you got to trust. I think about it. Yeah.
I'll put who this is in the tag down at the bottom.
Say that I will, baby. Oh, but I don't know if I can.
I cannot believe it. Oh my God.
You say you're sorry.
Listen, you guys can find these on Amazon if you don't want to go get them off of Aperion's website at $1,200 a piece. These things are a steal. I've heard $20,000 speakers that can't do what these are doing. I've heard everything from $500 a pair all the way up to $50,000 a pair. And I'm totally just obliterated by what these things are doing right now.